Alright, we're going to finish off with old. So old has the O, old, old. Then we have people. This one's kind of tricky. It's long. But E, the E-O right here, and this one says E, E, old. People. Alright. We're going to talk about is and are. Is and are present tense verbs. Okay, so that means that they are happening right now. Because present means it's happening right now. And a verb, remember, a verb is an action word. Okay, so June is joking. Okay, June is joking. We use is when we're telling about one noun. Okay, so our noun is June. She's our noun. June is joking. Okay, and joking is the verb. Okay, so we used is to tell about June. That's what she is doing. Alright, Rose and Lance are riding bikes. Rose and Lance are riding bikes. We used are when we're telling about more than one noun. So Rose and Lance, that are two nouns. So Rose and Lance are your nouns. And we're talking about more than one, so we're using the word are. And they're riding their bikes. Riding is the verb. Riding is the verb. Alright, so let's see. Are we going to use is or are? Are you ready? The sun blank shining. The sun is shining. Very good. We used is because we're talking about one thing, and the one noun we used was sun. Sun is our noun, so it is the one thing we're using, the one noun. Okay? 3 dogs blank playing. We use is or are. Are, very good, because we are talking about more than one. We're talking about more than one. And our noun is dogs, so we're talking about more than one noun. Okay? And our verb in this sentence is playing. Playing is our verb. They blank racing to the end. They are racing to the end. Very good. Because they means more than one, and that's your noun. You're talking about they. It's a group of people. Racing is your verb. Racing is your verb. Good job, first graders.